事後組唔係我組成，全部係自願嘅。教會係冇一個formal嘅事後組嘅以前。小獅子攞咗我嘅說話，咁就 come together 咯。我哋咪親眼睇到3年就形成咗600人嘅事後組啦。就算係騎士工坊好多嘢，就係嗰幾句咁樣開頭嘅咋。跟住你而家見到呢啲孤品就喺我哋嘅手上，短短2年就可以做到出嚟啦。
A prophet cries, but the echoes fade. No one cheers for the truth they made. Rejected and torn, their light may dim, but the fire inside burns within. If the world won't see them, who will? If their voices are quiet, who'll fulfill? Pastor Wind spoke and the spark was shown. Pure faith in their hands, like fire to clay. Through storm and sun, they paved the way. A legacy that won't betray.
你哋同一個先知相處咗10年、20年、30年，已經有啲係40年。所有先知加埋講嘅都唔及得我一生講咁多。我講咗，然後小獅子諗方法揾方法，神就為佢預備人啦、恩膏咧，喺人眼前蒙恩啦，預備 inspiration 啦。其實我教賜恩嗰啲，但係佢真係聽咗當 oracle， 咁佢嘅恩膏就喺度，佢就會建立到佢同神嘅關係。
The younger lion stood in awe of the breeze. Pastor Wind spoke truth that bent the trees. A voice like thunder, yet soft as the rain.